This is the Sringar Rati or the Madhurya Rati ordinary of Kuja with the same object. The Prem Vishai we have in a Rasa Tattva, the Vibhav. So the Vibhav Prem Vishai is Krishna for Kuja, and the Prem Vishai for the Queens of Dwarka is also Krishna, and the Prem Vishaya, Vibhav Vishaya, is also Krishna for the gopis. But the Premashraya, there's three types of Premashrayas. One is Kuja, ordinary love, selfish love. She had selfish love. She wanted to enjoy the most beautiful, handsome man and enjoy being with him intimately, but Krishna and nobody else. So that was the beauty and spiritual perfection of Kuja. She wanted to enjoy with Krishna. I want to enjoy God, and this one, Krishna, the most beautiful, dashing, Lila Madhurya, Prema Madhurya, Vena Madhurya, Rupa Madhurya. Nobody else. So she was ekanta. Ananyas chintyanto mam yejana paryapashate. Ananya Bhakti. Kuja had Ananya Bhakti for Krishna, but it was selfish. So now you go to the Queens of Dwarka, there's some Anjasa, not Sadarani. Their love is not ordinary and selfish, it's transcendental, and of course the only object of their love, their only Prem Vishaya is Dwarkadish or Krishna, but they want a little equal share, 50-50. Not actually 50-50. Krishna, Dwarkadish, I'll please you, but I want a little transcendental reward. I want a little transcendental pleasure myself. And then they go to the gopis, and it's like, nothing. I don't want anything for myself, nothing. So this is samartha, art, all benefit, everything for Krishna. So that's why we compare and contrast. So taking that idea, the sadhaka, see how desperate the gopis are. See how Vibram and Unmad and Pramad, the gopis are. For what? To find Krishna. They're searching. They're making inquiry. Where is Krishna? You associate or learn from the spiritual master, and you ask so many questions. Can you tell me where is Krishna? How can I find Krishna? And he tells you.